Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. ByteVision tutorial video of Windows CMD command prompt to check system configuration. Click on search and then type CMD, select command prompt and press enter. Type powercfg/battery-report, then enter. Battery life report save to file path C:\users/administrator/battery-report.html. Copy the path, then press Windows key +R, then paste the path batteryreport.html. Press OK button to execute the path line. Battery life report will be opening automatically on Microsoft Edge browser. Now type CLS to clear the screen. Then type mic BIOS get serial number to check the system serial number details. Check the command line to check RAM speed, mic memory chip get speed. How to check physical memory and maximum capacity, mic memphysical get max capacity. Next you can use below mentioned CMD command to check Wi-Fi by giving Wi-Fi SSID name. Netlan show profile name equals Rahi key equals clear. Then follow the next command line to check installation office activation keys, mic path software license service get OA3x original product key. Command to check Windows version, WinVer, or this is second command to check Windows version, ver. Mic nic where net enabled equals true get name, speed, CMD command to check network Ethernet speed. Mic memphysical get max capacity, memory devices, to check physical memory count and maximum capacity. Mic memphysical get max capacity, check physical memory and maximum capacity. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.